What is technical SEO? Learn digital marketing with Digital Pollen. Technical SEO is crucial for ensuring that your website is visible to search engines so that your target audience can find you easily. In this video, we will discuss what technical SEO is and how you can optimize your website to improve its ranking on search engine results pages. Technical SEO is the process of improving the technical aspects of a website to enhance its visibility to search engines. Technical SEO helps search engines understand your website better and rank it favorably. In simple terms, technical SEO involves optimizing your website's backend to improve its search engine visibility. Technical SEO involves optimizing your website structure, sitemap, page speed, and other technical aspects to improve its ranking on search engines. These optimizations contribute to a better user experience for your audience by making your website faster, more reliable, and easier to navigate. The key components of technical SEO include website structure, mobile friendliness, website speed, website security, and crawlability. Website structure involves optimizing the organization and hierarchy of your website. Mobile friendliness refers to ensuring that your website is optimized for mobile devices. Website speed refers to optimizing the load time of your website. Website security involves ensuring that your website is safe from threats. Crawlability refers to ensuring that search engines can crawl your website for indexing. To optimize website structure, you need to ensure that your website is organized hierarchically and logically. This involves creating a clear and intuitive navigation menu, using headings to organize your content, and using internal links to connect related pages. To optimize for mobile, you need to ensure that your website is responsive and that it loads quickly on mobile devices. You should also use large fonts and easy-to-click buttons to improve the user experience. To speed up your website, you need to optimize your images, minimize HTTP requests, enable caching, and use a content delivery network, CDN. To secure your website, you need to install an SSL certificate, keep your software up to date, use strong passwords, and back up your website regularly. To improve your crawlability, you need to create an XML sitemap, fix broken links, avoid duplicate content, and use a robots.txt file to control which pages search engines can access. Google Search Console is a free tool provided by Google that helps you monitor and maintain your website's presence in Google search results. It provides valuable insights into your website's performance, crawl errors, backlinks, and more. Google PageSpeed Insights is a free tool that analyzes your website speed and provides suggestions to improve it. It gives both desktop and mobile speed scores and offers suggestions for improvement. SEMrush is a paid tool that provides a complete SEO audit of your website, including technical SEO. It shows you where your website is performing well and where it needs improvements. Technical SEO is essential for optimizing your website for search engines and enhancing your online presence. We have discussed the key components of technical SEO, how to optimize them, and the tools available to help you with technical SEO. If you have any questions or comments about technical SEO, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more SEO tips and tricks.